Don't you open up that window. Don't you let out that antidote. Popping pills is all we know. Inhales is all we know.
Hi guys, so my name is Karis.
And I'm Cash.
And today we will be doing the 3 marker challenge. My sister's here also, but she's just going to do something. Anyway, so I'll tell you my sister's colours, which is red, light pink, and then pink. And then my colours are red, orange, and yellow. And Cash?
Mine's blue, dark green, and grey.
So let's go! So you guys, we have not finished them yet. We are nearly finished. So when we are finished, we are just going to show you guys, and yeah. Hi guys, so we are back from colouring them in. I think they look amazing. So now we are going to show them. Okay, and say our colours. So again, red, orange, and yellow. I think mine turned out really good. So yeah. I think mine turned out really good too. Mine is 2 shades of pink and 1 red.
And this is mine. It's blue, grey, and dark green. So, yeah.
And make sure you subscribe, comment, and like the video, please, because this is our first video. And if we get 2 likes, no, that's 2.
100.
No. How many likes should we get to do another video?
35.
100. About 15.
15.
If we get 15 likes, then we will do another video of us doing the marker challenge.
We're going to do the 2018 one.
Yeah, that we printed out. So, I hope you guys loved watching this, and bye!
Bye!